There's a stigma that people that get after the wealth and want to make a lot of money are actually selfish. I think it is the exact opposite. People that are too lazy, that don't want to get after the money, are actually the selfish ones, because you got to realize that people get paid in proportion to the value that they provide. So if someone's making a lot of money, it's because they're providing a lot of value to people and businesses. Now that value has a ripple effect. How does that impact all of their customers and their families and their friends and their peers? Also, all of the wealth and income that they generate through their business, how does that affect all of the people that they employ themselves, and then their families and their friends and their peers, and then all the taxes that a successful business pays? It is ridiculous the amount of ripple effect that you see from successful people that have the drive to get after the money. See, people that are lazy are the ones that are actually the ones being selfish, because they are letting down everyone that they could have impacted through that ripple effect. What do you think about this controversial statement? Do you think I'm right, or do you think that people that get after the wealth are actually selfish ones? Let me know in the comments below.